In this video, I'm going to show you how I make my walnut fly boxes. And a fun fact is, I forgot to record any audio in the first half of the video, so I'm going to do it all with my mouth. Thank God we have actual audio now. Here I notice a small hole that I had to fill in. I marked the back side of the magnet so I can make sure I get the two attracting faces toward each other. Okay, stay tuned and I'll show you how I made all my sound effects. And if you really want to have fun, send this video to somebody and just tell them to watch the last 20 seconds with no context at all. Oh yeah, this isn't the fly box I just made, it's a junk one I had laying around.